I actually got this Facebook page monetized under 40 days. It's not even one Facebook page. I got these two Facebook page monetized under 40 days. And if we are talking about 40 days, you should know that 40 days is about a month and 10 days. I started it from 0 to, as you can see here, 40k followers, sorry, 14k followers currently. I moved it from 0 followers to 14k followers, and I monetized the page under 2 months. That's 14 days is 1 month and 10 days only. So if I should go to my dashboard here, I will show you so that you believe what I'm saying. I will show you here when I go to my dashboard and I go to my analytics, you see that if I'm going to 90 days from today, actually I got this Facebook page monetized ever since last week. Today is making a week ever since it was monetized. All right, so if you see that I started this Facebook page on the February 13th, and today the analytics, what is showing here is since on the 13th of February till on the 20th of March. And so you see that under those days I moved from 0 views to 3.6 million views under 40 days. All right, so I think this 20th of March is actually when I got a notification that I was invited to switch to Facebook content monetization, but I did not switch that very same day. All right, so if I should go to my earnings, you see that I started earning few days ago. If I should go to 28 days, you see it's still the same thing. You go to 7 days, you see that my earnings under 7 days are still the same things. So this is to tell you that this okay, if I should go here, this will tell you that under 7 days is when it's not up to 7 days when I got invited to switch to content monetization. All right, so if I should go to my earnings analytics, you will see here that on the 21st of March was when I was invited to switch to content monetization. So if I'm going to engagement, you see that my engagement under 90 days, I see the same thing when I started this very Facebook page on the 13th of February. That was when my engagement started rising, and currently I have about 79,044 engagements currently. All right, and you see that my audience moved from 0 to 14,300 under 14 days. Guys, as you can see here, I'm not making boast of, I'm showing you proof as it's working. So if I should choose to the other page and to also show you, you see that it's the same thing. All right, so you see that my followers here, this is on the 13th of February, it's moved from 0 to 14 plus 3, and the page was monetized, guys. All right, so let me go to the other page so that I show you what I'm also doing. The page currently for now has about 7k followers, and that's because I did not actually start the both page together. I think that the other one I just showed you before, this one is up to a month, is up to 40 days, but this very one is not up to 40 days. So I'll go to my insight. When I'm going to my insight, you see that this page, I started this one on the 11th of March. Let me go to under 90 days so that you actually see that this page has been slipping along. All right, on the 25th, okay, on the 25th of February was when I actually started this page, but it did not pick up until I apply this secret method which I'm going to reveal to you people here. I applied that secret method on the 8th of March, on the 7th of March, and on the 8th of March, which is this month that we are just passing by. Today is on the 1st. Today is the 1st of April, and on the 8th of March it skyrockets to 80,000 views. And you can see, if I should go to my audience here, you see that my audience moved. If I should go to my audience, you see that on the 11th of March was when I started having followers coming in. So followers moved from 0 to 6.9 under how many days? I moved my followers from 0 to 6.9 in these few days. So you see that on the 8th of March was when I actually started growing this page. From the 8th of March till today, I've had about 6,983 followers. And that's not all. Why it's not showing up to 7K is today, as of the 1st of March, it will not show any result that I've gotten for today. It will not be shown. So if I should go to my main page preview, you see the actual followers that I have here, that my followers currently are 7,082 followers currently. That's to tell you, if yesterday the result that stopped as yesterday was showing 6,900, and today I'm having 7,082. That's to tell you that I've gotten over 100 plus followers only for today, and it's not added yet to the other part. All right, it's not added to the main the main insight, the main dashboard, or how do you call it, analytics dashboard, or whatever you might call it. All right, so these two pages, I actually got it. I started these two pages on the February. It did not pick up. Lately February it picks up, and on the March ending of March was when I actually got this two page monetized. And I still have, currently I have another page that I'm working on, but I'm not going to show you other pages because some are pages that people ask me or paid me to do promotions or to grow for them. So I cannot just switch to all those pages and be showing you. All right, so this very secret really works, and I'm going to be explaining step by steps how I was able to achieve this. Okay, and don't forget, I'm not just going to be explaining this and giving you how to go on Facebook Insight, and also going to show you how you can actually grow your YouTube channel as well. As you can see here, this is my YouTube overview. This is my YouTube views. You see that one of my posts got about 25,500 views, and you can see that when I posted this, you see the way it skyrocket from here and it hit up upper. Now you see that only one post. I know most of you are searching for watch hours, most of you are looking for followers, most of you are looking for subscribers, but I am here to show you that only one post from on YouTube, rather only one post from YouTube got me about 1.5k subscribers. Only one post. This is not running paid promotion. It's not a paid promotion. I did not run any paid promotion. I did not run any advertising. I only implement a little strategy on my post so that the YouTube algorithm can understand the kind of video my content is about, and so that they will be able to push it to the right audience. Okay, so this post got me about 1.5, and I will show you another post that got me about 318 subscribers. Only one post, and this one got me 20 plus subscribers, and this other one now, and you see that only one post got me about 658 watch time. That's not all. Let me show you a post that actually gave me. Okay, so if I'm showing this very post, you see that this very video got me about 1k watch hours. One video, 1k watch hours. All right, and also the video gave me so many subscribers, and you also see that this very video, one video got me 4.4k watch hours, guy, for one video. And most of you, and this is something you can achieve. This is something I achieved under 7 days. As you can see here, under 7 days I moved from 0 to 4.4k watch hours under 7 days. So if you are thinking, if it's possible for you to become a YouTuber, I'm going to teach you how you can also become a YouTuber and also make money from YouTube and Facebook. Grow your Facebook and Instagram, your Facebook, your Instagram, and your YouTube page. I got you covered. I'm going to teach you. So if you know you are interested, you want to know more about this, you can message me on my WhatsApp. Please, no call, don't call, only message on WhatsApp. When you message on WhatsApp, or you comment interested under this video, when you comment interested under this video, I'm going to send you the link that you can use to message me directly, either on WhatsApp, or you message my team, or anywhere that you can get to me. When you comment under this video, I'm going to send you a link that you'll be able to get in touch with me direct, and I will guide you through this process. I'll be hosting free trainings for people that are really interested in growing their Facebook and YouTube channel, Facebook page and YouTube channel, as well as Instagram. All right, I've not shown you the overview of Instagram. Instagram is very easy, so that one I will have to, it's not a problem. So I will show you all that. Just message me if you are interested, and don't forget, I'm hosting this training this week as it stands. So if you know you are seeing this week, this training will run for like 2 weeks only. So if you are seeing this video after 2 weeks, let's say like 3 weeks, don't bother messaging me, unless if you message me, I will be adding you to another slot which I will be doing for the month of May.